8 Ways to Train Your Brain to Switch to Positive Self-Talk. Numerous scientific studies have proven a more optimistic attitude will benefit you in terms of mental health and well-being. Even more intriguing is the idea that positive self-talk can lead to better physical health, happiness, and success in every aspect of your life. With so much at stake, it's obvious that switching your brain over to a habit of positive self-talk is not only a good idea, but a necessary one if you truly wish to become all that you can possibly be. How can you train your brain to be positive in a world already skewed toward negativity? Be here now. We worry about the future. We carry regrets about the past. It's no wonder focusing on things outside of the present can lead to negative self-talk. Engage in the moment by acting mindfully. Find your calm. Every day you need to refresh and renew yourself mentally. You can't do this in a noisy environment where you're constantly being bombarded by stimuli. Seek quiet. Meditate. Even time spent in a quiet room will allow you space to disengage and let go of negative thoughts. Find your spiritual self. Whatever your belief system, connecting to something larger than yourself has a way of centering you. Engage in spiritual practice, be it prayer, worship, or even something that gives you feelings of hope or love will generate a positive response internally. Practice gratitude. Every day be thankful. Gratitude has been shown to improve mood and overall happiness, especially when expressing this gratitude to others. Perform random acts of kindness. Did you know that doing something for others stimulates dopamine production in your brain, leaving you long-lasting happy feelings? Find small ways to pay it forward. Every day, practice one. Laugh. There's nothing more healing or positive than laughter. Studies have shown laughing even when you don't feel like it initially has a way of becoming real. Look for the humor in situations. Find reasons to laugh daily. Change the script. Still getting caught up in negative thoughts? Listen to what you're saying and try to rephrase the thought more positively. Challenge negative assumptions. Turn dire predictions into questions. Look for solutions instead of assuming defeat. Move around. Exercise has been shown to stimulate a positive chemical response in your brain with long-lasting effects. In short, it's much easier to think positive when you're feeling good. As with the formation of any habit, don't expect overnight success. Switching from a negative inner dialogue over to positive self-talk is going to take time and patience. If you slip up, don't get caught up in a cycle of blame or despair. Instead, grasp the next positive thought and simply keep going. Eventually, this optimistic outlook will become automatic. When you reach that point, rejoice. It's here where you'll find peace and contentment, and even joy in life.